Okay, let's take a look at this one where we have a cube root. That's the little 3 out in front. Let's see if we can figure this out. So I'm Miss Kennedy, and I'm glad you're here. Let's take a look. We're going to break this down into something smaller, and we'll start with the 81. So think about what you can multiply to get 81. There's a couple of different options. First thing that I think of is 9 times 9. If you thought of something different, like 1 times 81, that's okay, but you have to start breaking it down into smaller things. So then 9 can break down. How can we factor that? Or how can we think of something that'll multiply to get 9? 3 times 3. And the other 9 would also be 3 times 3. And that works out great because we have to find the cube root. This 3 in front tells us that we're looking for groups of 3 of the same thing. So I have 3 3s. That's a group of 3. I have this little leftover 3. I'll deal with that in just a minute. All right, let's talk about the V's. There's V to the 4th. That just means V times V times V times V. 4 of them multiplied together. And again, I'm looking for groups of 3. So I've got 3 of them here, and I have 1 left over, just like the other one. That's interesting. It doesn't always work that way. All right, so whatever you circled, you write, for every circle, you write one of those things. So I've got a pair, not a pair, a group of 3's in a circle, so I'm going to put a 3. And I've got a group of V's in a circle, so I'm going to put a V. And then I've got my cube root symbol. And whatever's left stays underneath that little symbol, underneath the radical. And so this is the answer, 3V times the cube root of 3V. Now that is considered the simplified version of the problem as it started out. It might not look simpler, but it is considered simplified. All right, I hope that helps. See you next time.